the President's Sale. It's our biggest sale of the year, and it's going on now at Rothmans.
Courage, sacrifice, honor, resolve. Their commitment to our country is never in question. That's why our commitment to supporting America's heroes will never waver. They've done their job. Now it's time for us to do ours. Join us. Go to helpingheroeswork.com now.
Now's the time.
Now's the time to make a difference,
Now's the time to take a stand,
to get involved.
to make a change.
Now's the time to do what's right.